breast pump is an essential device designed to help lactating mothers extract milk from their breasts efficiently and conveniently. This tool plays a vital role for mothers who may not always be able to breastfeed directly, such as those who have returned to work, are managing an oversupply of milk, or want to store milk for later feeding. The concept of pumping breast milk allows babies to continue receiving the nutritional and immunological benefits of breast milk even when mothers are not physically present. In addition, it provides flexibility and ensures that breastfeeding can be sustained for longer periods despite lifestyle constraints or medical situations. The functionality of a breast pump is based on mimicking the natural sucking action of an infant to stimulate milk ejection from the mammary glands. Breast pumps work by creating a vacuum that gently pulls on the nipple and areola, causing milk to flow into an attached container for storage. There are generally two main types of breast pumps available in the market: manual and electric. Manual pumps require the user to operate a hand lever or squeeze mechanism to create suction, which makes them more portable and affordable but also more labor-intensive. Electric pumps, on the other hand, operate using a motor to generate suction and are often preferred by mothers who need to pump frequently or express larger quantities of milk. Some electric pumps come in double pump designs, allowing simultaneous pumping from both breasts, which saves time and can help stimulate higher milk production. Breast pumps have evolved significantly over time to enhance comfort, convenience, and efficiency for mothers. Modern pumps often come with adjustable suction levels, speed settings, and soft silicone flanges to create a comfortable fit around the breast. Some high-end pumps even offer smart features, such as app connectivity, to track pumping sessions and milk volume. Portable, battery-powered pumps and wearable pumps have become increasingly popular among working mothers, as they allow discreet pumping without being tethered to an outlet. These advancements aim to make the process as natural and stress-free as possible because stress and discomfort can negatively impact milk flow. Using a breast pump correctly involves understanding the right flange size, positioning, and timing. An improper flange size can cause discomfort, pain, or inefficient milk expression. A well-fitted flange creates a good seal and minimizes irritation. Proper positioning of the pump ensures maximum milk flow while reducing strain on the mother. Timing is also important. Pumping sessions are usually recommended every 3 to 4 hours to maintain supply, especially in the early weeks when milk production is being established. For mothers exclusively pumping, following a consistent schedule is crucial to avoid engorgement and to keep up with the baby's feeding demands. Hygiene plays a critical role in the safe use of breast pumps. All parts that come into contact with breast milk, such as bottles, flanges, and valves, must be cleaned thoroughly after each use to prevent bacterial growth and contamination. Sterilization is often recommended, particularly for newborns, to ensure the milk remains safe for consumption. Some modern pumps include dishwasher-safe parts, while others require hand washing and air drying. Keeping the pump motor clean and ensuring proper assembly after cleaning are also essential for long-term functionality. Breast pumping offers numerous benefits beyond convenience. It allows mothers to build a milk stash for emergencies, share feeding responsibilities with partners or caregivers, and continue breastfeeding even if the baby is premature, hospitalized, or unable to latch properly. Pumping can also relieve engorgement, prevent clogged ducts, and maintain milk supply during periods of separation from the baby. For mothers with an oversupply of milk, pumping provides an opportunity to donate milk to milk banks, helping other babies in need. This practice has a positive impact not only on individual families but also on the broader community by supporting infant health. However, there are challenges and considerations associated with breast pumping. Some mothers may experience discomfort, nipple soreness, or even a reduction in supply if pumping is not done properly. Pumping can also feel time-consuming and emotionally taxing for some, as it requires planning, cleaning, and storage management. Ensuring access to a private, clean space for pumping, particularly in workplaces, can be difficult and is a common concern for many mothers. Employers and public spaces are increasingly recognizing the need for lactation rooms to support breastfeeding mothers, which is an important step toward promoting breastfeeding as a normal and supported practice. Storage of expressed milk is another critical aspect of breast pumping. Freshly pumped milk can be stored at room temperature for a few hours, refrigerated for up to 4 days, or frozen for several months, depending on the storage conditions. Using sterilized containers or breast milk storage bags is important to prevent contamination. Labeling each container with the date and time of expression helps in using the oldest milk first and maintaining freshness. Thawing and warming milk should be done carefully, avoiding microwaves, which can create hot spots and damage milk nutrients. The decision to use a breast pump often depends on individual circumstances, lifestyle needs, and breastfeeding goals. Some mothers rely on pumping occasionally for flexibility, while others exclusively pump to provide breast milk without direct breastfeeding. Healthcare professionals, such as lactation consultants, can guide mothers on selecting the right pump, developing a pumping schedule, and addressing any issues that arise during the process. This support is crucial for mothers who may feel overwhelmed by the physical and emotional demands of pumping. Breast pumps have become a cornerstone of modern breastfeeding, offering mothers the ability to maintain their feeding goals despite the demands of contemporary life. They empower women by giving them options and control over their breastfeeding journey, ensuring that babies can continue receiving the best nutrition available even when direct nursing is not possible. Advances in technology and increasing awareness about breastfeeding support have made pumps more efficient, portable, and user-friendly, reinforcing their importance in maternal and infant health. Checkmark. Would you like me to expand this into 1,200 words with richer details and examples, or make it SEO optimized for your YouTube channel content? Or both?